overcoming depression in the workplace. Gusto ko lang i-qualify yon, in the workplace. I don't want to get into trouble of trying to address medical depression. Dun lang ho tayo sa trabaho. The reason I created this is because I have been very, very concerned about the many things I hear about mental health issues sa workplace. And I just feel they are unnecessary. I feel na pwede natin to masolusyonan kung tama lang ang response natin. We have created videos that are already in YouTube that you can actually watch. The reason why we decided to do this every Saturday is I'm hoping na I can answer your question pagkatapos ng session. So yung papakita sa inyo is a pre-recorded video that is already in YouTube, and you can review this again and again kung kailangan nyo, and then share this with other people. I would like to answer questions na siguro mga concern ninyo. Pero ulitin ko ha, depression in the workplace. I do not want to answer medical depression. Like for example, hormonal problems sa mga babae, postpartum depression pagkatapos sila magnanak. So hindi ko kaya sagutin yon because that's medical. But kaya ko sagutin kung ano yung nangyayari sa atin in the workplace. Maraming salamat for just giving me a chance to do this for you. Sana makatulong to sa inyo.